Welcome to Net at Work's Sage X3 Vertical Market Solutions Series. I'm David Cranage, North American Field Sales Engineer for Sage Software Group. Net at Work's initial video segment targets the food and beverage industry, emphasizing Sage X3's role in helping manufacturers overcome regulatory and certification challenges in research and development, safety and handling, manufacturing and quality control, and distribution and recall management. In the second of Net at Work's four-part video series, we'll start off revisiting key regulatory requirements affecting food and beverage manufacturers. We'll then transition to Sage X3 and explore how it supports both product safety and the handling of ingredients and food products in compliance with regulatory and certification requirements. We'll start by exploring the food and beverage specific functionality within the product master related to food safety, which includes product data management overview, product safety, including traceability, ingredient potency, lot management, recontrol and expiration, allergen roll-up, and we'll finish off in the product master with critical food properties and regulatory concerns. We'll then examine how X3 aids in overseeing the proper handling and storage of food to prevent pathogens and pests, mitigating the risk of food-related illnesses. We'll look at batch and lot tracking, stock expiration visibility, stock rotation, storage area differentiation in single and/or dedicated locations, as well as location zones, and stock statuses. That's a lot to cover, so let's get started. Government agencies like the FDA and industry bodies, such as Fair Trade, establish rigorous regulatory and certification requirements for the food and beverage sector, with a primary focus on ensuring the safety, quality, and transparency of food products. In the dynamic food and beverage industry, rigorous adherence to safety protocols and certifications is crucial. This ensures legal compliance, boosts consumer confidence in products' safety and integrity, and facilitates global market entry, establishing companies as reliable contributors to global food safety. Sage X3, tailored for the food and beverage industry, streamlines compliance reports and documentation, emphasizing safety and regulatory adherence. It provides easy access to historical data and audit trails, fostering transparency, accountability, and efficiency in global market compliance. Let's head over to Sage X3 to explore the system and see how it is purpose-built for the food and beverage industry. Sage X3 is tailor-made for the food and beverage industry, streamlining operations and ensuring compliance for enhanced efficiency and profitability. In the first video, we observed user navigation of the customizable X3 home screen built with gadgets such as toolbars, inquiries, charts, and visual process maps. Now, we'll delve into the food and beverage manufacturing overview map to explore X3's capabilities in supporting food product safety and handling. Let's start by clicking the product icon to investigate X3's food safety features in the product master. In today's intricate food and beverage landscape, establishments, like the bread manufacturer introduced in the first video, shoulder the responsibility of navigating comprehensive food safety and handling procedures. The bread manufacturer's pursuit of new and healthier products emphasizes the vital need for a centralized, access-controlled product data repository, ensuring safety, integrity, and overall customer satisfaction. Over the years, the bread manufacturer gathered tried and tested recipes in notebooks, digital files, and the memories of seasoned bakers, posing challenges in ensuring consistency and training new staff. Sage X3's Product Master serves as a centralized hub, optimizing manufacturing processes, consolidating recipes and tribal knowledge, and managing critical regulatory and safety information in a controlled environment. It also functions as a storehouse for production notes, file attachments, and comments, streamlining and facilitating the easy retrieval and management of critical information. Now, let's delve into specific X3 safety capabilities tailored for the food and beverage industry within the Product Master, drawing inspiration from the bread manufacturing example. Let's start with traceability. In the bread manufacturing example, Sage X3's traceability swiftly addressed a safety concern with a batch of flour by identifying the supplier, production date, and related information, instilling customer confidence through prompt issue resolution. Ingredient potency. In the shift to healthier options, Sage X3 ensures the bread manufacturer has precise control over potency and concentrations of alternative flours, grains, and flavorings, meeting nutritional needs, adhering to regulations, and mitigating health risks from excessive additives. Lot management. Imagine the bread manufacturer detecting a quality issue in a specific lot of nuts. Sage X3's lot management swiftly identifies all related products and transactions, streamlining recall management and upholding the commitment to deliver only safe products to consumers. Recontrol and expiration. In the busy bread manufacturing setting, Sage X3's recontrol and expiration management systematically track ingredient shelf life, preventing sales past expiration, complying with regulations, minimizing food waste, and preserving the bread manufacturer's reputation for freshness and quality. Bomb food allergen rollup. Sage X3's bomb food allergen rollup ensures accurate product labeling, preventing cross-contamination and enhancing consumer safety, crucial for the bread manufacturer's success in catering to diverse dietary needs and demonstrating a commitment to safety and inclusivity, especially for customers with severe nut allergies. Properties and regulatory concerns. Sage X3, as demonstrated in the bread manufacturing example, defines and stores properties and calculations for nutritional values, recipe compliance and certificates of analysis, enabling efficient management and automation. Its regulatory management further addresses challenges by tracking documents, identifying recipe issues, streamlining audits, and centralizing information on ingredient sourcing, production processes, and quality control measures for regulatory compliance. In summary, Sage X3's Product Master offers product data management and tailored safety features addressing real challenges in the food and beverage industry, ensuring heightened control and safety throughout the manufacturing process. This empowers the bread manufacturer to thrive and deliver outstanding products confidently. Now, let's shift from food safety to food handling and storage, leveraging Sage X3's warehouse management capabilities to address concerns such as stock rotation, storage area requirements, and ingredient availability. This ensures the bread manufacturer upholds stringent standards for food quality and safety. Now, transitioning from food safety to food handling and storage, let's utilize the food and beverage manufacturing overview map to delve into Sage X3's warehouse management capabilities. In tackling challenges like stock rotation, storage area specifications, and ingredient availability, the bread manufacturer relied on essential X3 warehouse management features to maintain their reputation for upholding stringent standards in food quality and safety. Among the capabilities they employed were batch and lot tracking. With Sage X3 implemented, the bread manufacturer underwent a transformative change, benefiting from the ERP's comprehensive forward and backward traceability and lot management capabilities. This facilitated seamless tracking of ingredients from procurement through production to distribution, ensuring essential product traceability for quick identification and safety concerns or recalls. Stock expiration visibility. The bread manufacturer's commitment to using only fresh ingredients faced challenges with inefficient expiration date monitoring, resulting in significant wastage. Sage X3 resolved this by providing detailed reporting and the ability to set alerts for products nearing expiration across all warehouses and product categories, facilitating systematic and proactive management to optimize profits and minimize losses. Stock rotation. The bread manufacturer's inadequate expiration tracking led to the loss of valuable raw materials, straining the budget and compromising sustainability. Sage X3's support for stock rotation policies like first in, first out and first expired, first out ensures prioritized use or sale of older or expiring products, addressing past challenges and reducing the risk of holding compromised inventory, aligning with food safety practices and sustainability. Storage and area differentiation. Sage X3 allows defining location types for allergen-free zones or separate dedicated storage of allergen-containing products, preventing cross-contamination, a crucial element in ensuring food safety. It also enables the assignment of location zones based on critical requirements for maintaining the quality and safety of perishable food items, supporting the bread manufacturer in serving customers with food allergies while upholding stringent food safety standards. Item status control. Sage X3's inventory status control ensures accurate real-time information and facilitates efficient practices, effectively preventing issues related to stockouts, expiration, allergens, and overall product quality, thereby contributing to enhanced food safety, handling, and storage. So, as you can see, Sage X3 is a purpose-built ERP for the food and beverage industry, streamlining operations, improving visibility, and ensuring regulatory compliance. The demonstrated functionalities in the Product Master and Warehouse Management highlight Sage X3's crucial role in ensuring food safety and quality. By leveraging Sage X3, the bread manufacturer not only meets industry standards, but also optimizes efficiency, reinforcing its commitment to delivering exceptional products globally. Thanks for watching this second video in NetAtWork's Food and Beverage Industry segment, where we highlighted Sage X3's pivotal role in assisting manufacturers to overcome regulatory and certification challenges as it relates to safety and handling of food products in the manufacturing process. Look out for the next video in the Food and Beverage segment, focusing on quality control in the purchasing and manufacturing processes. For questions or to connect with one of NetAtWork's expert technology advisors, please use the contact information displayed on the screen to reach NetAtWork.